If you've been trying to start dropshipping, but there's just too much information, too many opinions, too many systems, and every video makes you more confused than the last one, then trust me, you're not alone. Most beginners just simply never launch because they're stuck at step one with all of the information. It's pure information overload. And honestly, I want to start this video by showing you exactly why that happens. So let's roll this clip really quick from AC Hampton because he explains the feeling perfectly.
So you promise yourself you finally start dropshipping, but after hours of videos and research, you find yourself stuck, drowning in information overload. Every guru says something different, every strategy conflicts with another, and the more that you search, the more confused you get.
That feeling right there stops more people than anything else. So today I'm going to fix that problem for you completely. In this video, I'm going to show you the fastest, easiest, and cleanest way to start dropshipping in 2026. No information overload, no overcomplicating anything. Let's get started. All right, now this is going to be a step-by-step process. So let's start with step one, the mindset reset. Before we rush into anything, I want to show you something that's very motivating. So let's pull up this clip from Journey with the Hintons because this is what every beginner secretly is thinking.
I am more than sure at some point you've heard about dropshipping and maybe you've even wanted to start yourself. But then came those questions. Is this legit? Will I waste my money or worse, my time? Or what if I fail at this?
Everyone feels that way. But dropshipping in 2026 is not only real, it's one of the simplest online business models available when you follow the right path. And to prove that simplicity, here's another quick clip from the Hintons explaining dropshipping in plain English.
Dropshipping might sound like this big complicated thing, but it's actually pretty simple, and I'm going to explain it to you in less than 30 seconds. Basically, what you have to do is set up an online store and then you have to list products for sale. But here's the catch, you won't actually physically have or own these products. You are acting as the middleman that connects the customer to a supplier. And then so when a person buys the product from your online store, then you will take that money and you'll go to the supplier and purchase that product at a lower price, and you'll have the supplier to ship it directly to the customer, and you get to keep the profit.
You sell the product, your supplier ships it, and you keep the profit. That's a business. Now, let's run the fastest version of it. Now, really quick, before we do go ahead and continue, if you want to see more videos like this, or if you want to learn more about dropshipping and e-commerce overall, make sure you hit that subscribe button, make sure you like this video, and click that little bell notification so you don't miss out on any videos the moment that we release them. All right, let's continue. Which moves us on to step two. Get your store live fast using the AutoDS AI Shopify store builder. The biggest mistake that new dropshippers make is waiting until everything is perfect. The perfect logo, the perfect colors, the perfect product list. The perfectionism kills momentum. Instead, we're going to launch the fastest way possible using the AutoDS AI Shopify store builder. This tool builds your initial Shopify store for you in literally 2 to 3 minutes. And if you want to see exactly how that works, just check out this video right here. I walk you through the entire process in a couple of minutes. It pretty much sets up your homepage layout, your product page structure, and all of the different sections. And it even preloads with starter products based on the niche that you choose, all chosen by expert dropshippers. And to reinforce why beginners struggle with the store design, let's play this clip really quick from AC Hampton because it's real. It's raw. Let's just check it out.
So here's another real problem that most beginners run into. They spend days trying to design a store from scratch, stressing over layouts, colors, and buttons, and then end up quitting before they even launch.
So here's what you need to do. You open Shopify with the $1 trial, connect it to AutoDS, and let the AutoDS AI Shopify store builder generate the entire framework for you. You're not starting from a blank store anymore. You're starting from a professional and converting layout that already looks like a legitimate brand. From there, all you do is simply customize it. If you want to swap out your banner image, you can do that. You can adjust your headline. You can add your mission statement. Really, that's all you need to do. You're done after that. Your store is officially live. And that's the moment where most beginners fail, but you'll already be past it. All right, that brings us to step number 3. Find a winning product fast. Now that your store is live, we need something to sell. And this is the step where most beginners get lost, confused, stuck, or simply overwhelmed. Because a lot of people are just guessing at this point. So instead of guessing, we're going to use the AutoDS handpicked products section, the TikTok trends report, and the ad spy to instantly find products backed by data. AC Hampton said something in his video that perfectly explains why people fail at product research or product selection. So let's just roll that clip really quick.
This is where most beginners fail because they're stuck chasing random trends, trying to reinvent the wheel, or maybe they're just straight up guessing on what products will work.
Exactly why we're not doing that. Now, I want to bring in a clip from Mikey again, because he explains how product selection has changed in 2025 going into 2026.
So I'm not gonna lie to you, organic dropshipping is not as easy as it was 2 years ago. Back then you could literally pick some random goofy flying orb and just post some dumb videos and go viral and literally make millions. I'm not even joking, millions. But now it doesn't work like that. You need a specific product selection criteria if you want to make money.
And he's right. The product needs demand. It needs to be problem solving. It has to have the problem solving ability. It has to have good margins, and it needs to have viral potential. And AutoDS makes this process pretty effortless. Now, inside AutoDS, you open the handpicked product section and you immediately see winners that are curated by data, engagement scores, saturation levels, supplier pricing, shipping speeds, and a lot more. That means instead of spending days hunting on AliExpress, you can pick your winners in literally just a few minutes and import them to your store in just one click, which brings me to step number 4, importing your products into Shopify in one click. Now, once you find the product you want to sell, just hit import. That's really all it is. AutoDS sends it straight into your Shopify store with all of the image, all of the different variations, all of the descriptions, or the entire description, all of the pricing info for the main product and the different variations. So you don't have to deal with any manual uploading. You don't have to rewrite any product pages from scratch. Your product page is instantly ready to customize. Now change the title, rewrite the description so it matches your brand voice, and adjust your pricing. And now your store doesn't just exist. It actually has something real to sell and something to offer. Now, if you do want to start implementing all of the different strategies that I'm going to be talking about in this video, then make sure you score the AutoDS trial right now. It's going to be down in the description below. It's going to cost you just $1 for the next 2 weeks. And with it, you're going to gain access to all of the different features that we offer in AutoDS. So make sure you don't miss out on that. Which leads us to step number 5. Organic content that actually works. Right now, using organic content is one of the fastest ways to get your first sales without having to spend money on ads. Mikey built half of his success on this model. Let's roll this clip where he explains exactly why.
This is called organic dropshipping. You don't need to spend any money on any ads. Everything is pretty much free.
Exactly. And organic content today works better than ever because you can combine AI-generated videos with real problem-solving hooks. But before you start filming, I want to show you one more thing from Mikey. This sets the tone for how powerful AI is right now at this moment.
There's this new cheat code called AI that just came out of nowhere, and now people are literally hitting my whole life journey in just like a few months. Yes, I'm very, very, very salty, but whatever. Whether you like it or not, AI is coming to take over.
That's why organic content is exploding right now. You can replicate viral videos, you can improve them with AI, and you can post multiple times a day across TikTok, Reels, YouTube Shorts, and Facebook Reels, all for free. Your content is going to build your traffic, and your store is going to capture that traffic, and AutoDS is going to fulfill all of the orders for you. That is the new triangle of success in 2026. Now, speaking of fulfilling orders, that's going to lead us to step number 6. So you never actually have to touch a package. Here's where the business becomes truly passive. When someone buys, AutoDS is automatically going to do these following things. 1, order the product. 2, it's going to send the supplier your customer's information. 3, it's going to track the shipment. 4, it's going to update the customer with the tracking numbers. And 5, it's going to mark the order as delivered once it's actually delivered or once it's arrived to your customer's door. You never pack, you never ship, you never go to the post office. And the best part is that AutoDS can fulfill orders completely automatically once you load your auto order credits. This is how you scale without having to burn out. Now, I do want to finish with one final clip with Journey with the Hintons because it sums up exactly what I want you to take away from this video.
Dropshipping in 2025 is not only real, but it is shockingly simple when you know what to do.
And they're right, dropshipping isn't hard. It's only hard when you do it alone, without a system, and without the right tools. So just a quick recap. The fastest way to launch is going to be with the AutoDS AI Shopify Store Builder to get your store live, the AutoDS Product Research to help you find real winners real quick, one-click product imports to help build your catalog, and AI and organic content to drive your traffic. And then AutoDS Auto Fulfillment to scale effortlessly. Now, if you do want to try AutoDS for just $1, you can get started right now with the link down in the description below. It's going to give you access to AutoDS and all of the different features for 2 weeks. It's going to allow you to launch fast, to test fast, and to learn fast. Honestly, stop letting information overload hold you back. This is the fastest way to start dropshipping in 2026. And there's always going to be information everywhere. So really, all you have to do is take some of that information and just get started. That's all you really need to do. My name is Mario with AutoDS, and with that, I'll catch you on the next one.